Daisy.
We're going on a trip. Jesus days. Kaya, come on. We're going on a trip in the worst sky. Kaya. Waiting for Kaya to make a big turn.
No, ready? I'll do the dance for you.
Okay, here.
Oh, wait, hang on. Someone's got to hold my dog.
Okay, here. Give me your dog.
Hang on, I'm putting my phone down.
Eh.
Wait, is it we're going on a trip? Watch me. Wait, watch me. Nay, watch me whip. I don't know.
Okay, wait, do it again.
Wait, sing it.
We're going on a trip. Watch me whip. Watch me nay, watch me whip. Crashing through the sky. We're all gonna. Kaya.
We're
Daisy.
going on a trip.
Okay.
Watch me nay, watch me whip. Ah! I can't.
Okay, come take your dog, please. Please. Here.
Come on.
Kaya, stop being a
Is
bad.
that the sound that she would make
What do you mean?
if she saw an alligator?
Yeah.
Come here. Hey.
Well, that was because she was pissed. She would start barking.
Where else could she's pissed?
Huh?
Wait, where is it? Where
I
are
don't
they?
know. I think it's like back there.
You know what we should do? We should say that we're going to the bathroom. We should just go explore. Just be all over the place.
I know, right? Stop being a bully. Serious. I think it's like all the way back there.
Oh, I'm not going that far.
Watch me, Nene, watch me whip.
Now it's the slingshot. Ready? Ready, Daisy?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, Kaya, come on.
Daisy.
Come on, Kaya.
Where are you going?
Following the dog.
Watch, Daisy. I'll follow you. Except for when there's a rattlesnake. Dropping the leash and I'm booking it.
Well, the dog, snakes are scared of dogs, so I'm just walking wherever Kaya walks.
Come on. Even rattlesnakes are scared of dogs.
Yep.
So your dog can go first. I can just watch. Well, me and Daisy run for help. Camera. Snake!
Kaya, protect me. Get on my car.
Protect me. Come on, this way.
Oh, Jesus. I don't have that much battery left. Bye-bye.